The feeling is of extreme excitement, anxiousness, that nervous energy which goes into you. So I'm absolutely with that nervous energy right now. Pehla show hai, काफ़ी rehearsal चल रहा था and doing the entire run throughs and all. So mentally yes we are prepared, but होता है ना audience के सामने पहली बार जाना, तो वो आज होगा. Well, I didn't start from theatre, to make myself clear. I have done theatre in the past. Lekin to come back to do theatre after a good 7 years of hiatus is a challenge which I took it up, because as you grow older, theatre is something जहाँ पे ज़्यादा effort होता है. You have to really memorize the lines, really be pat on dialogues. It's too much happening at the same time. It's an actor's medium. तो ज़्यादा करके जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं टूवर्ड्स थिएटर, दे डोंट टेंड टू गो वंस दे गेट कंफर्टेबल इन टेलीविजन फिल्म्स एंड वो नहीं करते. आई सेड आई हैव टू गेट बैक ऑन थिएटर बिकॉज इट्स समथिंग विच इज इट्स एन इनबॉर्न थिंग. यू नीड टू प्रूव टू योरसेल्फ दैट येस यू स्टिल हैव इट इन यू टू डू थिएटर. तो मेरा ये टेक है ऑन इट. द शो इज़ अबाउट मिस्टर खुराना जो बैठ चुके हैं और अब वो खड़े होंगे. Just joking. It's about him standing up once again in life. अब उसका करियर ख़त्म हो चुका है और वो दोबारा अपना करियर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं thanks to his daughter.
I think it is the foundation of any product. That is, if it is not on page, it is not on stage. So it is very important that we nail the story and the telling of the story on the paper first, which it looks like we did. Otherwise, we wouldn't have had such a stellar cast, Mahesh ji's experience banking on the papers. So yes, definitely, I think half the battle is won when you have something good on paper. The another half of the battle was won when we had Mahesh ji coming on board, because along with his experience, his sensibilities, the production and the whole team is absolutely carrying a huge basket of variety of fruits just by one man entering the whole team. So we are looking forward to his magic on stage after so many years. It is absolutely generous and kind of him to give credit to the script or a novice writer like myself, and I'm absolutely gratified about the whole thing.